Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechnoBeam. If you're a designer, developer, or someone who works with colors, you're going to love this tool. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Just Color Picker. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Just Color Picker website. You can search for Just Color Picker download or visit AniStudio.com to get the most reliable version. The link is in the description below for your convenience. Click the download and go to the download section. Select the version that matches your operating system, Windows or Mac. Click the download link to start downloading the setup file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run the setup. The installation process is straightforward. Just select your desired language and click Install. The process takes just a few seconds. With this tool, you can easily pick any color on your screen, get its HEX or RGB code, and save it for your designs. It's perfect for designers working on UI/UX projects, graphic designs, or any color-based creative work. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Just Color Picker. It's a small but powerful tool that can make your design process so much smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechnoBeam, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips like this. See you in the next video.